Welcome back to Webcache Hub Studio. In today's video, we will talk about short miniature videos that are currently viral on YouTube and TikTok. We can make this video by using free effective AI technologies. Today, I am going to work you through step-by-step process to make this type of content in a most detailed and understanding way. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not. Now let's go into the detailed practice part. First, you will need prompt to generate the miniature image you want to use for your project. I already have prompts that I want to use in creating these videos. If you don't have a prompt, here is what you will do. Head over to ChatGPT and input this prompt. Then paste this prompt there and click enter. If you want this prompt, tell me in the comment section and I will send it directly to you. Now ChatGPT will generate 10 different prompts for you. Copy it and make use of it. But as for me, I already have my prompt, so let's start generating our images. Generating our images, we will be using Leonardo AI. Go to Leonardo AI, log in or create a free account if you don't have. Click on Image Creation. Make sure you pick FluxDev for model and preset. For aspect ratio, pick 9:16 since it is a shorts video. Copy the prompt that ChatGPT has given you and paste it in the prompt box on Leonardo AI. Then click on Generate. On Leonardo AI, you get 150 free coins daily. Do this for all your images. You can also generate your image on Canva. Go to canva.com and click on Dreamlab. Paste in your prompt like we did on Leonardo and generate. Here are some images I generated already. After generating your images, download the ones you like. Now let's animate our images. Animating our images, we will be using Halo AI for this. Go to your browser and search for Halo AI. Register if you don't have an account. Go to Image to Video, upload your image and input the prompt to the prompt box. Make sure it is the same prompt you used in generating the image. Then click on Generate. Generate button is that 30 coins button, which means the video you are about to generate will cost you 30 coins. Halo AI gives 100 free coins daily. Do this for all the image you want to use. Upload your image, input the prompt and generate. You can also generate your videos from Kling AI. Go to Kling AI and register for free account. Click on Create and upload your image. Input your prompt and click on Generate. Here are the videos I generated from Kling AI. Once you are done generating your videos, download all to your computer. The next and final step is to edit the videos on CapCut. Open your CapCut and click on Create New Project. Import all the videos you want to use and arrange them according to how you want it. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, since the video is for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok Shorts. Then add sound effects that matches each video. Name your project and export it to your computer. Good luck.